Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Portable Washing Machine. Both are designed for convenience and efficiency, but they cater to different needs. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer offers a capacity of 1.7 cubic feet, which is suitable for larger loads, accommodating up to 11 pounds of laundry. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 16 liters, making it ideal for smaller items like baby clothes and underwear. This difference in capacity can significantly influence your choice depending on your laundry needs. The BLACK+DECKER washer is fully automatic, which means it handles all the washing cycles without user intervention, providing convenience for busy households. On the other hand, the portable washing machine operates semi-automatically, requiring some manual input for washing and rinsing. This could be a consideration for those who prefer a more hands-on approach. Price is another critical factor to consider. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is priced at $354, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. In contrast, the portable washing machine is significantly more affordable at just $77, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, it's essential to weigh the price against the features and capacity to determine the best value for your needs. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The BLACK+DECKER model offers a larger capacity and fully automatic operation, making it suitable for larger households. Meanwhile, the portable washing machine is compact and budget-friendly, perfect for small spaces. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.